At the heart of everything we do is the spark of creativity. One idea inspires another and another. Our culture of continuous innovation generates a portfolio of unique products that evolves by the day. From the microscopic to megastructures, ocean depths to cityscapes, and beyond, our ideas transcend frontiers. We develop solutions through collaboration with our customers and partners. What we call the power of the whole achieves more than any one mind could alone. We create with a purpose, helping customers meet their challenges while aiming for goals we set ourselves. In the never-ending cycle of innovation, we are endlessly curious, connecting technologies in new ways, sharing insights across our company to discover where ideas will lead us next. Making vehicles lighter to reduce fuel emissions, shaping industries one piece at a time, keeping privacy personal. Hanging a picture without nails, giving wasted plants a new lease of life, easing the pain of healing, cleaning the air as we breathe, staying safe in darkness, powering the world with efficiency. Our products open up possibilities as we work to nurture the world around us, contributing to a more sustainable future for people and planet. Supporting progress for everyone, everywhere.